We have different types of hemoglobin proteins, and each different type has different properties relating to how they take up oxygen and release oxygen. So why do different hemoglobins have different affinities for oxygen? And this is just in the shape of the molecule. This is in the final structure, the 3D structure that the protein takes. And this is also because every species makes hemoglobin with a slightly different amino acid sequence. So the difference really lies in the primary structure, and we know that the primary structure will dictate the final 3D structure of the protein. So every species will produce a slightly different tertiary and quaternary structure of hemoglobin, and since it's this geometric shape that dictates the oxygen binding properties, hemoglobin will eventually bind oxygen differently in every species. So depending on the structure of hemoglobin, we have a range of different affinities for oxygen. Some species will produce hemoglobin that has a low affinity for oxygen, and others will produce hemoglobin that has a high affinity for oxygen, and so on.